Take a Nap by Willems. I will take a nap. I am tired and cranky. I will take a nap. I like to nap. I am happier when I am rested. I hope I have good dreams. Gerald! Huh? What? Where? When? How? What are you doing? I am trying to take a nap because I am tired and cranky. Plop. And a nap helps if you are cranky? Yes, a nap helps if you are cranky. I am sorry, Piggy. I am very cranky. Now I feel cranky too. Very cranky. Maybe I need a nap. Maybe you do need a nap. I will take a nap too. I like to nap with my special buddy. Ready to nap? Ready to nap. Sleep tight. Snore. Snore, snore, snore. Snore, 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 snore! Snurk, 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 puff. Snore! Yawn. Wow! What a great nap! I feel rested. I do not feel cranky. How are you enjoying your nap, Gerald? I am not enjoying my nap, Piggy. I am not napping. But if you are not napping, how can I be floating? And why is my head a turnip? Good question. I'm a floating turnip head. She's a floating turnip head. She's a floating turnip head. She's a floating turnip head. I'm floating. Also, I have a turnip head. Yawn. Oh, hi, Gerald. Did you have a good nap? I sure did, turnip head. The end.